Hey there, Gary here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to introduce to you, our outlet tester part number GFC-1. Designed to detect the most common wiring problems in standard and GFCI receptacles, here are some of the features and benefits that make the GFC-1 a must-have in your toolkit. It's got a durable hard shell that's built to withstand a 6.6 foot drop. It confirms the ground fault protective device is operational. Its easy to read lights make determining faults a breeze. And it has a built-in GFCI trip that tests outlet protection. Ensuring your outlets are wired correctly is vital to prevent electrical hazards, fires, and to protect yourself and loved ones. If you ever wondered how to easily check the safety of your electrical outlets, this is the tool for you. Simply plug into your outlet, and within seconds you'll know if it's wired correctly or if there's an issue that needs your attention. Have the peace of mind knowing your outlets are up to code with the GFC-1 from Jonard Tools. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.